Yo, what is up, class? Back again. So I'll start off question one. On YouTube, find a piece of music that you listen to often and share or play the link with your post with a short description of why you chose that particular piece of music and emotion that it represents. So I am choosing the song, it's called, More Than Friends. It's like to describe the emotion. It's like happy. I don't know. I don't. It's not like my favorite song, but like I started listening to it like a few days ago. Probably saw it on TikTok. And it's just like a happy song. Summer day, windows down, pretty nice. I suggest giving it a ring. Yeah. Number two, what is the element of blank? What is wiped out or conceded? So, the element of blank is, like for this, is gonna be like, I had it in my head, or I know it. Oh, it's like the guy, like the artist, like Aiden, him, like, wanting this girl, like, he, like, can't get it out of his head, just like pain, like, it comes in, like, a bunch of different forms, like, if you can't get it out of your head, like, that's the element of blank. And then what is wiped out or conceded? See, this makes no sense to me. I'm gonna skip it. Number three, in addition, discuss the value of an education that includes a liberal arts foundation. How does it make a more complete scholar and person? So like when I read that, I was like, the first thing I did was like look up what a liberal arts education is, and it can be like so many things. Like a liberal arts degree is like advertising, anthropology, astronomy, biology, chemistry, computer science, creative writing, economics, English. It's literally everything. Psychology, religion, sociology, Spanish, statistics, theater, and liberal arts classes like personal finance, literature, physics, creative writing, global inequity. Yeah, obviously. All of these things, you should, have to, touch on, at least. I don't know, everyone's not meant to do everything, so, I think a system, finding out what people are good to do, and then putting them into these, these classes, just biology, chemistry, not everyone's meant for that. Economics, not everyone's meant for that. English, fine arts is, yeah. You should be learning these throughout your life, but not everyone needs to know economics. Pretty simple. But go back to the question. How does this make a more complete scholar in person? Just the things pretty simple. The things you learn, and also the way you're learning these things. This class, I have to read a book and analyze it, and it's super abstract, and that's gonna help me with different things than me taking my math class last semester, where I'm learning just problem solving skills and shit like that. I think it's good to have a broad base that you can be able to tackle a bunch of different problems that are coming at you. Yeah. And then to go back to number two, what is wiped out or conceded? I don't know. I really don't know. I don't even know what that means. Well, I'm looking up conceded because I know what it means, but I have no clue. Admit that something is true or valid after first denying it or resisting it. I don't know. I really can't tell you. What is taken back? What is wiped out? What is removed? I don't know. The only thing I could say is his feelings. So that's it. He's just basically singing about his feelings. Here, I'll go to the lyrics. Why won't you take it? Why won't you take it with me now? Let's be more than friends right now. That's the chorus. So play 3-4 times. Verse 1. You've been replaying in my head. I feel the only thing that's being wiped out, I don't know, is his feelings. That's the only thing that makes sense to me. That's probably wrong. But yeah, that's it. Peace out, class. I suggest you to give it a ring. So great song. It gets boring real quick though. It's kind of repetitive, but it's fire. Okay, how do I end this thing?